Hello, let us solve this question. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than that of passenger train, form the quadratic equation to find the average speed of the express train. So here first of all we will suppose the speed of normal train, I will call it NT, normal train, and its speed is x, and express train I will call it ET, that is x plus 11, and both are kilometer per hour. Now if you know formula for the speed, distance and time, then you can solve this very easily, and I will try to explain as fast as I can and I will use as simplest language as I can. So here I will write D S T, and this triangle will help you to write all the formulas of speed, distance and time, I mean basic formula. So here you can say distance is equals to speed into time. Here you can say speed is equals to distance over time. And here you can say time is equals to distance over speed. Now we know express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. It means passenger train will take longer. It means if you subtract time taken by passenger train, let's call it normal train, and if you subtract express train, then you will get 1, isn't it? Because it will take longer. Normal train will take longer and express train will be faster. So this will take 1 hour more. Normal train will take 1 hour more. So if you subtract these two values, time taken by normal train and time taken by express train, you will get 1. And here you must keep in your mind that you cannot change the order. If you will do express train minus normal train, that will give you -1. So here basically you can say you need to write more time minus less time is equals to 1. You need to write the train which takes more time minus less time, and that gives 1. So do not make this mistake, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. Now let's go ahead. So what is the time taken by normal train? So we will use this formula, that is for time. So time taken by normal train will be distance over speed. Distance is 132, normal train speed is x. Now express train distance is same but speed is x plus 11, and that's 1. Now we can form the equation very easily. So here we will take LCM. So 132 will be multiplied by x plus 11 minus 132 will be multiplied by x is equals to, here we have 1 in the denominator. So we will multiply by x also and x plus 1 also. So 1 times x plus 11. Now I will not write the denominator because all the denominators are equal. So you can say I have simplified the equation. No need to write the denominator now. Now 132 times x is 132x plus 132 times 11, that is 1452, minus this is 132x is equals to, this is 1x. Even if you don't write 1, that's okay. X is considered as 1x only. I just wrote it to make you understand. So now this will be x times x square, x times 11, 11x, and now this and this will be cancelled because this is positive, this is negative. So what I am left with, 0 is equals to, I will take this value to the another side, x square plus 11x minus 1452. Now I want to do the prime factorization of 1452 because I want two values. If I multiply I want negative 1452, and if I add I want 11x. So to find two numbers which follows these two conditions, I must do the prime factorization. So I will do the prime factorization very fast. It's 1452. It's even number, so I can start with 2. 2 times 7 14, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 6 12. I can again go ahead with 2. Now I should go by 3. Now I must go by 11, and that's it. So here if you see carefully, you need two values. If you multiply you get 1452. If you add you must get 11. So here I will make two groups in such a way that follows this condition. So here I can say this will be, let us say this 11 and this 4. Let's take this together, 4 and 11, and let's take these two together, that's 33. So 44 minus 33 is 11, isn't it? It means I got two numbers which follow this condition, 44 minus 33, 44 minus 33, here also minus. If you will subtract this, you will get plus 11. Actually no need to write this, plus 11, and if you multiply you will get 1452. So now in these equation I will do further simplification. 0 is equals to x square. Instead of 11 I will write plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452. Now I will take common from these two. That will be x common into bracket x plus 44. Here I will take minus 33 common, and 33 times 44 will give you 1452, that we already know, into bracket x, and this minus will be plus because of this minus. So plus 44. So now this will be 0 is equals to x minus 33 and x plus 44. Now we will take 0 for both. X minus 33 is equals to 0. X plus 44 is equal to 0. So x is equals to 33, x is equals to negative 44, but speed cannot be negative. So we will ignore this. Our answer is 33. It means normal train for which we supposed x has speed of 33 km per hour. So normal train is 33, and we know express train, that is 11 km per hour faster. So that will be 44. So we got both the answers. 33 km per hour and 44 km per hour. So that's it, done. I hope you find my video useful. Don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching.